A flag? What does it say? I think it's a sign that I need one. Thank you, John Green.
What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to day 2 of Vlogmas. Today's goal is to get Bobbi's STI back up on the road. Hopefully everything that we're doing is fixing it. If you didn't watch yesterday's video, we had to put a new subframe in the car. Pretty sure the old one was bent from when this car was wrecked. So let's throw this thing back together. It's completely torn apart. Steering rack is out, sway bars are out, control arms are out, subframe is loose. Let's get this thing buttoned up and hopefully we are good to go. I think it's a good idea to loosen up all of the training mounts as well and leave the motor mounts loose and kind of let everything settle to where it needs to be, and then we can go through, torque down the subframe. We're gonna have to torque the control arms and then the motor and training mounts as well. But as of right now, I feel like everything's still pushed back because the motor mounts are still tight and it's kind of holding everything back where it was. The car is 100% back together. Last thing to do is bleed the power steering system. So we have to add fluid, which is, I hope I have some here. And the power steering on a Subaru takes ATF. So this is what we're using. So all you have to do to bleed a power steering system is fill up the reservoir, start up the car, slowly turn the wheels left to right a ton of times until there's like no weird sounds coming from the pump. There's no more air coming out of the reservoir, and then you'll be all good to go. Super stoked to have this car back on the road, 100%. New subframe in, old subframe out. This thing is ready to get some mods. Hello.
Hi.
What's going on, brother?
I'm just ready to go get a tree.
Hello, Mom. Found it.
Good job.
Yes. Wait, my keys. Oh wait, I have them. They're in my pocket.
I understand.
Oh, big truck, Mom. Fun fact. I've never had a real Christmas tree in my life. Sad.
This is a special moment.
It is?
Yeah.
So Bobbi and I, you know, now that we're like a thing, we're officially a thing, we're gonna go get a Christmas tree together. A real one, not a fake one. We got a fake one last year.
Yeah.
Trash. But if you're gonna like officially take your relationship to the next level, I heard it's good to like buy real trees, not fake ones.
Yes. All right, baby.
And also, Bobbi's hungry. Time to go find the baddest bit we could find.
Okay.
I already found the one that I want.
Show me.
She's a
Okay,
beaut.
but honey, stand it up and it's gonna be very sparse, and that's not what we want for a Christmas tree.
Hello? I have a delivery for Bobbi Wallace.
Come on in.
I hate when she don't fit. Neat.
Okay, Devin and I just got done decorating the whole place. We got lights, and we got a tree, and we also got stockings, and we have Coda enjoying his new lights. Huh, Code? Okay.